Welcome to my channel. Life is relationships. How to make women happy in a relationship.
Making women happy in a relationship is not about money, grand gifts, or trying to be perfect. Relationship psychology shows that women feel happiest when they feel emotionally safe, understood, valued, and respected. Happiness in a relationship grows from everyday behavior, not dramatic promises. This report explains the core emotional needs women have and how men can meet them naturally and consistently. Keycap 1: Emotional availability matters more than anything.
One of the biggest reasons women feel unhappy in relationships is emotional distance. Women want to feel that their partner is present, not just physically but emotionally. Being emotionally available means listening without interrupting, taking her feelings seriously, validating emotions even when you disagree. When a woman feels emotionally connected, she feels secure, and security leads to happiness. Keycap 2: Communication creates safety and trust.
Women feel happiest when communication is open, calm, and honest. Silence, avoidance, or aggressive reactions damage emotional closeness. Healthy communication includes asking how she feels and genuinely listening, expressing your thoughts respectfully, addressing problems early instead of ignoring them. When communication flows, misunderstandings reduce and emotional bonds grow stronger. Keycap 3: Appreciation and validation build confidence.
Many women feel unhappy not because they are unloved, but because they feel unappreciated. Simple words of recognition can change everything. Ways to show appreciation: compliment her efforts, not just her looks. Thank her for emotional and practical support. Acknowledge her sacrifices and strengths. Feeling valued increases emotional attachment and relationship satisfaction. Keycap 4: Respect is non-negotiable.
Respect is the foundation of a woman's happiness in a relationship. Without respect, love slowly fades. Respect shows when you honor her opinions and boundaries. Avoid insults, sarcasm, or belittling language. Treat her as an equal partner. A respected woman feels safe, confident, and emotionally fulfilled. Keycap 5: Quality time strengthens emotional bonds.
Women don't measure love by hours spent together, but by attention given during that time. Quality time includes undistracted conversations, shared activities and laughter, small moments of closeness. Even short, meaningful time together strengthens emotional intimacy. Keycap 6: Support her growth and dreams.
Women feel happiest when their partner supports their ambitions instead of competing with them. Support means encouraging her goals, believing in her abilities, standing by her during failures. When a woman feels supported, she feels empowered, and empowered women thrive in relationships. Keycap 7: Consistency builds long-term happiness.
Love is not proven through occasional big gestures. Women trust consistency. Consistency looks like keeping promises, showing care daily, not occasionally, being reliable emotionally and mentally. A consistent partner creates emotional stability, which leads to lasting happiness.
Final thought.
Making women happy in a relationship is about emotional intelligence, respect, and effort. When a woman feels heard, valued, and safe, love naturally deepens. Happy women don't ask for perfection, they ask for presence, honesty, and respect.
A heartfelt thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed our time together and would love to continue this journey, I would be so honored to have you subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment and say hello. I love hearing from you.